Good morning, this is Mrs. Webb. I wanted to go over one application problem with you, and I think I gave you like two of them on an assignment that we do quite often with polynomials. Now we did most of the ones with the frame and the picture, so I wanted to do one that wasn't all squares. So I have a circular pond. I'm going to read this, and then we'll go over it. A circular pond will be placed on a square piece of land. The length of a side of the square is 2x plus 1, and the area of the pond is x squared. The part of the square not covered by the pond will be planted with flowers. What is the area of the region that will be planted with flowers? Okay, so what I'm going to do first is I'm going to try to draw a picture. So I have a square piece of land. Square means it's the same on every side, same length. And in the middle of the square, I'm going to make a fountain. And here, I'll change my pen. Let's see if I have blue over here. I don't even think I have blue. Okay, I'll have green water in my pond. I'm going to have green water in the pond. And then I'm going to have some flowers. Let's make those purple. And I'm going to plant a bunch of flowers. Here. I think I got it down. So I have a circular pond in the middle. Will be placed on a square piece of land. So each of the sides are the same. Oh, and okay, now I'm going to go to the next sentence. The length of a side of the square is 2x plus 1. So I'm going to write that in. Let's go back to black. I'm going to write it in. So I know this is 2x plus 1. I also know that this is 2x plus 1 because it's a square. Every side is 2x plus 1, 2x plus 1. Okay, the area of the pond is x squared. So that area of that pond is x squared. Okay, the part of the square not covered by the pond will be planted with flowers. What is the area of the region that will be planted with flowers? So the idea is, you know what the area of the circle is, and once you take geometry, you're going to be able to tell me what the area of that circle is, but I was nice and gave it to you. And you want to take the whole area of the square and subtract off the area of the pond. And then you would have the area with the flowers in it. So if I want to know, let's see, I'm going to take the area of the square, and I'm going to subtract the area of the pond to get the area with the flowers. That's my Al's English. Okay, now the area of the square, it's length times width. So it would be 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1. The area of the circle, I was really nice and gave it to you and said, it's x squared. And what am I trying to find? I'm trying to find the area of the flower. I think I'll call that y. Because I just like x's and y's. Okay, now I want to recall PEMDAS. Okay, because right now I have multiplication. These two expressions are multiplied together, and there's also a subtraction sign. But I know based on my order of operations that I'm going to multiply first. So if I want to do 2x plus 1 times 2x plus 1, let's do it over here. And this is what we've been working on. To multiply two binomials, I'm going to double distribute. So I'm going to change my pen color. And I'm going to take the 2x, going to multiply it times 2x. And I get 4x squared. Then I'm going to take the 2x, I'm going to multiply it times 1. And I get plus 2x. Okay, now I'm going to change my pen color again. Let's see what orange looks like. I don't think I've used orange. Okay, I'm going to take the 1, I'm going to distribute it. 1 times 2x gives me plus 2x. 1 times 1 gives me a plus 1. Now notice I can combine like terms right here because it's the same variable and same power. So my answer is 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. So I'm going to come up here, and since I just multiplied these, I'm going to say 4x squared plus 4x plus 1 minus x squared is equal to y. Oop. Well, my pen does this every once in a while. I'm not sure why, but I don't really like that color of orange. When I get here, I'm looking for like terms. And look right here, I have some like terms here. They have the same variable x, and they're both squared. So 4x squared minus 1x squared, there's an understood 1 there. I have 3x squared. Can I combine the 4x with anything? Nope. 4x plus 1 equals y. And what's y? Area of the flowers. So my actual answer is that right there. The area with the flowers is 3x squared plus 4x plus 1. And that's your final answer. Okay. That was all I wanted to go with you, and I gave you like 3 of them. I want you to give them a try, and if you got any questions, be sure and come ask me. Good luck.